Okay, for this problem here, we have a disk of radius r that rolls down a horizontal surface. And again, from the previous lecture, I noted to you that without friction, the disk will slip. Okay, it will slide. So it needs friction in order to, kumbaga pa, to gain an acceleration, angular acceleration. Now, ang questionan is what happens when the disk will roll at a constant velocity. So ato na siyang i-discuss po. Chok. Ay, eraser. Bugaw. Aning eraser. Uy. Okay, this is of mass, the disk is of mass m. And dito, we are applying a force. And as I've said, okay, there must be friction. So applying a force here will cause the disk to accelerate. So let's call this force Fa in that direction. So meaning we are assuming a friction here. Okay, a frictional force. So summation of forces along x, that would be Fa minus the friction must be equal to ma. And similar lang yapon ni dati, in which we equate here, friction will cause the torque. Okay? In order for this to generate acceleration. Okay? So, therefore, to calculate for that alpha caused by this friction, F now, we have to calculate the torque. Okay? The torque there is just the frictional force times the radius, and this must be equal to I alpha, which is in which the disk I is just equal to 1/2 mr squared times alpha. What is alpha? A over r. From here, automatically, if you simplify this, you would get substituting what is friction. Here, since F is mu K, okay, I'll just write it here, mu S. By the way, this should be static friction because kanang wala siya ga-slide, right? So that's why this is static friction. It's not sliding. So mu mg, mu mg. So this is mu mg. From here, you can see that A is just equal to simitabo 1/2 A. Tama, no? Mu mg. So, I don't know, sorry. Mu mg, cancel ano. So, this is 2 mu g. Tama? A is equal to 2 mu g. So, what is this acceleration 2 mu g? Because acceleration here, actually, this acceleration, this should be the same. But the thing is, this force can lead to an acceleration that may be greater than this. As for now, we are assuming that this acceleration here, A, is the same as this. Okay? Now, let's just, in order to label this, let's just say that this is AT, tangential acceleration, due to the wheel's rotation. Again, usubon ako that applied force can actually cause an acceleration greater than this one. Now, what happens if that applied force will cause an acceleration greater than this one? Then the disk will slide, meaning that this is equivalent to the maximum acceleration that can be caused by friction. Friction cannot be more than mu mg, right? It cannot be more than this. Okay, it can be less than this. Okay, it can be less than that, depending if Fa is less than friction. Okay, but it cannot be more than this. Now, tanaw nato na siya nga case ha. Here we are assuming, as for now, for our case A, we are assuming that this is this acceleration is less than or equal to this. Nakuha? Meaning that it will not slip. FA minus, okay? By the way, we can just replace first friction to be kani. From here, tara na to, friction is equal, kanila sa atong gamiton since we are assuming that tawag ani, this acceleration is less than or equal to that. So meaning the tangential acceleration of the disk will coincide with the translational the acceleration caused by FA. Okay, nag-coincide sila. So from here, our F would be what? 1/2 MA, right? Tama? So FA minus 1/2 MA equals MA. So from here, we can solve our acceleration. Okay? From here, our acceleration is then 3 halves 2/3 FA. Tama? Over M. Sorry. 2 FA over 3M. This is our acceleration. Now, what happens if FA remember that this is the maximum friction that the floor can provide, static friction. What happens if FA, letter B, what happens if FA is less than F? Now, this is the block, it will not move, right? Tama? Because if FA is less than F, then the actual friction experience is just equal to FA. Mo nagingon ako, no? Di na siya mo negative. This is the maximum. If FA is less than F, then the friction F is just equal to FA, so meaning that it will not move. But since we have now a disk there, a rolling that will roll, so gamay nga ano nimo, it will cause i-push na nimo gamay, assuming that of course we are assuming that we are applying the force diriha, not diya sa taas. We are distributing the force all throughout the disk, such that meaning that is like equivalent that is applying at the center. Kaya kung diri na siya mo apply somewhere, it will cause a torque. But if it's at the center, what's the torque there? F times 0, right? FA times 0, so 0. So what happens now if FA is less than F? Again, the acceleration FR is still equal to 1/2 M R squared times A over R. In this case, makita nimo that A, there's still acceleration here, right? The block will still accelerate, meaning that the block will still move. Sir, nag-move man siya, sir, pero anong static friction siya? It's because this contact point at that moment, wala na siya ga-move. Diba? Dili siya ga-slide. Kinetic friction is sliding friction. We call this rotation rolling friction. Rolling friction is static friction. Kay wala siya ga-move, right? Wala siya ga-slide. It's not sliding. So meaning it's static. So from here, we can see that A is just equal to 2F over M. Okay? Or we can say that if M mu, this is 2 mu, M mu mg. 2 mu g. Yeah, mao to siya. 2 mu g. Wait. It's not yet 2 mu g. A is 2 mu g based on the friction. Pero kani, this is the maximum. Since, okay, this is actually very analytical nga ano, no? Since FA is less than F, what is our FA? In fact, our F here must be equal to FA. Right? Manigingon ako, di ba? Friction is responsive. If you apply especially static friction, if you apply a force less than the static friction, it doesn't mean that friction is equal to mu mg or mu n. It will only return the same amount of force unless lang pag greater na gyud siya kay di na gyud niya makaya. Meaning here that our acceleration, in fact, you can directly substitute FA dire. So that this is just 2FA over m. That will be the acceleration, and certainly this is less than or equal to 2 mu g. Right? This is what is 2 mu g, because mu mg is the friction. It will only equal to 2 mu g if Fa equals friction. Now, what happens if, letter C, what happens if Fa is greater than friction? Well, this is now the case where we roll, but the disc rolls, but at the same time it slips. No, this is rolling with slipping. It will accelerate at still ma minus Fa equals F divided by m. So A is equal to kani over m. That's still the acceleration. But you will see that the disc rolls. Okay? The disc rolls, but at the same time, ang iyahang arc length nga na-travel, the arc length equivalent, r theta, okay, the rotation, is less than the translation. That means that, in this case, you have this. Diri siya murag ani ang case ana. Suppose, ato lang sa ulo, no? Dire, naabot siya dire. Meaning that, kani siya, naana siya dire. Okay? Or, let's say dire. So, it has rotated by an angle, this. Tama? Muna angle of rotation. And if you measure this, if this is S, okay? Okay, akong balikon, akong i-exaggerate. Ana na lang, nasa dire, right? So, pilay angle niya. This is now theta, right? The rotated angle. Now, this one is S here. This one is your translation, X. Now, S now will be somewhere just here. Dapat diri lang siya. Nakuha, pero naabot na siya diri because it has slid. Okay, or sabay, it has slided. It has slid, tama? Or slided. Okay? Diri lang siya dapat. This length here is just this. Dapat diri lang siya, no? If it rolls without slipping. But then, because Fa is too much for friction to handle, then it has moved at this ano. So, nasa ay difference. Nakuha ninyo? We can actually calculate that difference. How do you calculate that difference? Well, of course, surprise na lang na isa sa ano, no? So, I'll give this to you. How do you calculate this difference? S minus X. Assuming, no? How do you calculate this difference? Assuming that, find S minus X with respect to the given, meaning that mu, m, and Fa. Okay, it's easy to get that. Okay? Sige, buhatan na lang natin for the sake of what do you call this one? What is S minus X? Ano sa natin sa given nato? We are given ato ang A, kakuha na ta sa A, right? And initial velocity, what is now our x? Okay? We can use the equation di ay, okay? We will use x equals v naught t plus 1 half a t squared, right? Uy, wala po tayo time di ay. Okay? But anyway, we force x. Kabalo naman ta sa x. Ato na siyang hindi naman na kabalo sa x. We just label x to be, okay, we will get the time dire. Okay? Meaning that the rotation has made an angle theta. Unsa na siya? Given alpha, that's constant acceleration man eh. We have theta equals omega naught plus 1 half alpha t squared, right? So this is 0. Omega naught t. So this is equal to 1 half alpha t squared. So we can now relate x and a. Tama? I mean, sa ato pa here, x and theta. Well, we have to, kailangan na today ni siya i-ano. We have to assume x is given. Okay? We have to assume x is given. Wait lang. Abot dito. Yeah, we have to assume that this is x. Ang question, what is s? Okay? Okay, we have to assume that x is known. Let's just call this x naught. Meaning that when it has traveled by a distance of, let's say, 10 meters, okay, due to kaning FA, what is now the S naught? Okay? So, kana na lang sa ta. So, makalculate na to ang time, tama? T is just equal to 2x naught over A, square root. Right? So, the theta equals omega naught T plus 1 half alpha T squared. This is 0. So, this is 1 half alpha. But what is our alpha? Alpha is A over R, tama? A over R times what is T squared? 2x naught over A. Cancel? No, squared man eh. So, cancel. So, theta is 2x naught over x naught over R. Wait lang, times sa sorry, this is wrong. Unsay A dire? Lahi ang A dire nga pikas. This A here is the AT, tangential acceleration. But the A nga atong gistorya dire is katong, let's solve A first. Okay, di ba? This A here, dili din ni mo. Ang A dire ang ano. A here is katong translational. By the way, what is A? This is just F naught minus mu mg over m. Tama? FA di FA. So, this is 1 half, mao gyapon 1 half alpha. So, 1 half alpha is A over R times T squared. T squared is times mx naught over FA minus mu mg. Isabtan pa ninyo? Mao niyang A. Katong pag-move, ani. A sa dira. Nakuha? Wala akong kutagi. We want to get S pa. Now ang atong ano is that, at what time man atin niya dire? At what time? Meaning that is a time t is equal to kani. By this time, the wheel has rotated by an angle theta. Muna ang ginasolve dire. Now, nganong lahi ang A dire og A dire? As I've said, this A here is the tangential acceleration of the wheel. Sabta ninyo? It's the tangential acceleration of the wheel. This A here is the kanin. It's no longer that ganiha when FA is less than F, these two A's here are the same. Mag-cancel to siya. Mao nang mag-coincide sila. Nasabtan ninyo? X naught equals S. Okay? Mag-coincide sila, but now, they will no longer coincide. Wait lang ha. Na-operate 2, no? Dahil 2. 2x naught. So, 2. Sakto na ba ni atong algebra? So, from here, we can see that, but what is theta? This is S over R, right? So, this is now, by the way, what is our A? We have solved this A, 2 mu G, right? Maximum naman eh. Okay, by the way, again, A is equal to 2 mu G. That is the maximum. So, cancel na dire. So, naakay 2 mu mg x naught. Tama? 2 mu mg x naught over R times FA minus mu mg. So that S is just equal to 2 mu mg x naught over FA minus mu mg. That is our S. Kani, mo niyang na-travel. So that X minus, therefore, X minus X naught minus S is just equal to, what is our X naught? Karon? Well, X naught minus S is just equal to X naught times 1 minus 2 mu mg over FA minus mu mg. Yes, mao ni siya. Factor out nato kay mami ni X naught, right? X naught minus that. Nasabtan ninyo? Nasabtan ninyo? Basta sige lang mogyango ha. This is very analytical. But, well, this is the way I give problems. Murag gusto manggod ko, sa akong problem pa lang, masabtan na ni mo tanan. So meaning, if you understood my problem, there's no reason, tanang examples on this one, masolve ninyo. If you understood it clearly. That's why, as much as possible, I try to give a problem that would be analytical at the same time. Ang iyang coverage is kumbaga pataas-taas. Okay, once you have an understanding manggod, bisag kung sa itsura ana, kay kung mag-memorize manggod mo solution, what happens kung mag-memorize mo solution sa may tabo? Limited ra baya ang limited ra baya ang kumbaga pa inyong memorize, right? But all the problems can vary infinitely. Now, what if ang teacher, mo na yung unang uban nga, wala man to sa iyang notes ang exam. Say wala sa iyang notes. Dili pareho sa iyang gihatag nga problem. Pero yung problem nga gihatag, meaning you can use that to solve that problem if you understood it. Mura ba na mingon din usa man ni si sir, oy wala man sa notes niya ang ihang ang exam. No, dili na siya mao. Mingon kag wala sa notes ang exam, naay nabutang dito nga topic nga wala niya na discuss. Or maybe ang yang examples is too less, lacking siya gyud. Nagiana pod nga dili niya ma-cover ta ng klase nga very simple ang example. Pag abot sa problem, tuwa didto ang complication. Dagagana pod nga style. And you have to be careful ana kay nay mga anak nga mga instructor gyud. Pag abot sa example, basics or quite basic to intermediate. Pag abot sa exam, tuwa didto ang horror. Okay? That's why, ayaw mo pag-memorize og solution. Sabta ninyo ang concept. Because if you understood the concept, you can solve everything. Well, of course, dili man ingon nga dasa na may problems of one yun, nga lisod yun siya. Dili dayon-dayon, pero at least, no, nakay laban. Okay? Now, okay, also, what happens if FA is less than the minimum friction? Let's calculate the minimum friction. Okay? Let's calculate the minimum coefficient of friction. Okay, letter D. What is the minimum mu? Now, kindly, makita man ninyo sa video nyo, kindly check my algebra dito, no? I-solve ninyo balik tanan because I could be mistaken dire. Many times nga gasolve ko na yung mga mamiss nga ano dire. But the process I'm going through is correct. Ang logic diha. But many times, masayop ko sa calculations. And you have to, pagtanaw ninyo sa video, inyuhang derive. Isa, you can post. Okay, post, ani. Ana lang. What is the minimum mu? So that the disc rolls without slipping. Okay, if this is the case, then naano ta dito no, FA minus F equals MA. From ganiha, nakita na to FR, di ba? FR, again, akong isulat ha. 1/2 M R squared times A over R. Unsay makuha nato dire? A is equal to 2 mu G, right? This equation would lead to this one since F is mu mg. F is mu mg. So, what we get now is, wala electric pa. Igang diri ba? Isa na ron. A is equal to 2 mu g. So, FA minus 2 mu g equals MA. So that from here, you can, ako nang diretsohon, A is equal to what? FA minus, wait. Times we will solve mu di. Limot ko. Sorry. Mu mg equals MA. MA. Okay. By the way, we want to force this A to be equal to 2 mu G, di ba? So, atong i-replace ni siya sa A by times 2 mu G. Tama? From here, cancel ang, no. Sa naman, bugo naman ang ko. 2, 3, right? FA equals 3, what? 3 mu mg. Tama? Okay? So that mu now must be equal to 1/3 FA or FA over 3 mg or 1/3 FA over mg. This is the requirement. Meaning that it should be greater than this. Friction should be greater than this. Okay? For A to be 2 mu G. Sabtan. Okay? What happens if friction is less than that? Again, it will slide without It will it will roll with sleeping. Okay? Nasabtan ninyo? Okay. Now, let's apply rotational motion, rotational kinematics into the pulley system. Okay? Okay, first let's start with a very simple kuan. Na kay ceiling dire and somewhere here is attached a pulley of radius r. Attached here is M1 and M2. The question is, what is the acceleration of the block? Pag ano daw mag-attendance, be? Daga naman din nag-withdraw, no? Nangatras sila. Ha? Nung isa naman ito ibalin, pero itong first nga, itong mga take 1 pa kay, ano daw, mahadlok sila. Kay basin daw ano, kay, kadlukan, ba di kong nawong. Gapon. Nang withdraw to tanan yata, napay first taker na bilin dire? Na pa. Ikaw na lang. Ano mo kanina sabay sila? Di kay ga, kuha pa man gud daw sila calculus good pod unya. Managana sila daan ba kay murag last chance yata sila? Last chance. Okay. Last chance bud mo. Tarungan ninyo yung exam. Ayaw ko tagaig quiz. Ayaw ko tagaig quiz nga ato ang style ninyo. Oh, by the way, project man din na ako i-reveal. Ang kuan. Anyway, last time, if this is frictionless, okay, or that we neglect the mass of the pulley here, the motion of the pulley, then we know that the tension here is just the same as the tension on this rope, right? Pero karon, it's different. Okay? Now, we want to calculate the acceleration. Okay. We want to calculate the acceleration. We'll assume an acceleration of going paani, no? Counterclockwise. So, dire pasaka siya, dire panaog siya. Okay, so dire summation of forces. By the way, here tension is going that way. We can call that this is T1 and this is now T2. Pero dire sa pulley, this is T1 and that would be T2. Okay? So, summation of forces dire along Y, we have T1 minus the weight which is M1G equals M1A. So that T1 is just equal to M1A plus M1G. We have three unknowns dire. Acceleration, T1 and T2. But we can generate two equations here. Unlike dati nga, duha lang ka equation na ito ma-generate, right? Pero duha man punto kanon. Karon man good, since naata dire, we now have three unknowns. But the good news also is that we can generate an equation through the pulley. Okay? Now this is now sa first dire. How about the pulley? Dire nga equation. Now, again, this T1 will create a torque and acting perpendicularly on the radius, right? So T1 on the pulley, we will now summation of torque. We will use the kumbaga pa kaniganing kuan condition for equilibrium. Second condition for equilibrium. What is the first torque? This will create a what? Counterclockwise torque, right? So positive. So T1 times R. And while this one, again acting perpendicularly, will create a torque negative torque. So minus T2R equals what? I alpha, right? But what is I alpha? This is 1 half M. Ato na diretso diribe. 1 half M R squared. We have to express alpha in terms of A over R. So sa ato pa, this will reduce now to 1 half M R A. Tama? So mag-cancel siya. You can see that T1 minus T2 equals 1 half M A. And now, equation 3 is dire. Summation of forces along Y, that would be T2. T2, kay pasaka dire ang T2, no? Ayaw ni tanawa dire, kay namin ni sa puli. Okay, T2 minus M2G equals M2A. Right? So here, T2 equals M2A plus M2G. Substitute T2 and T1 dire. This equation now becomes M1A minus, plus M1G minus M2A minus M2G equals M2, this mass di ay is mass of the pulley. Nakuha? Kaning M dire. Let's just use capital M na lang dire, no? 1 half M A. Okay, i-add wait lang. Minus din siya, sorry. This should be minus. Why? Because it's going downward, right? Sabtan. So, may mong plus M2A ni siya dire. Now, in this case, sakto na. Equals minus M2A. T2 now is minus M2A. Wait. Plus, minus. So, minus M2A plus M2G. Okay. Pag butang nimo dito, may mong plus M2A minus M2G equals 1 half MA. Now, if you arrange this, you can calculate, diretso na nako, no? Ibutang nimo dito ni siya, no? Factor out A, ang mabilin dili kay M, unsa ba? M2 minus M1. So, M2 minus M1 over M1 plus M2 minus 1 half capital M times G. Okay? Sakto na bang algebra? Times up. Kung paani ang rotation, we are assuming this mag-oppose di ay ni siya. Nakita ninyo? Ano man god? Wait lang. Ato ang rotation is positive torque, right? Tama? Positive torque. Now, in order for, kailangan natin i-check ni siya. Notice nga, paana ato ang If this is positive, meaning paana siya. Pero kung paana siya, meaning the wheel is going that's why kailangan yun yung intuition ni siya. Muana ang wheel. That's why here, in order to be consistent with our direction of assumed acceleration, we have to put negative dire. Nakuha ninyo? Nasabtan? Ngano? Tungod kay given that A is positive, positive atong makuha nga A, unsay rotation. Meaning, mas dako ang torque sa 1, so paana, right? Tama? But we are assuming an acceleration nga paani. Okay? So meaning, we are assuming a negative 1 half M1A, negative alpha. A negative alpha is a clockwise rotation. That's why nanay negative dire and this becomes a plus here. Mo nang nasayop siya. Okay, nasabtan ninyo? Kailangan siya intuition yun ba? Di gyud siya ingon nga bisan pag master nimong algebra wa kay intuition wala gyud. No, mo ingon nga forgivable pa pag diri ka masayop, no? Kay sakto man imong flow. And even ako masayop gid ko pirmi ana. Especially pag kana ganing tanaw nimo master na kay imong process, nag-advance mo una, sayop na day mong nasulat. No, or you have actually ano. Pero mo tong mga concept nga when you watch the video, isa-isa tanawag yung sa nako pag ano ang concepts. Okay? How I applied intuition to the problem and not just purely algebraic manipulation. Now notice if m becomes massless, you get the recover the first nga ano, right? And in fact, when m equals massless here, you get T1 equals T2. Okay? Sabdan. Okay. That is the second problem. Okay, how about this? Okay. This is a pulley system. We are taking advantage of pulley is actually what we call it is a leverage system. It will leverage that. It will reduce the force. Now, if we assume this to be frictionless, tanawan ninyo. If we assume this to be frictionless, para for anong analysis, no? Ibig sabihin, we don't dili na to ikuha na iyang rotation, no? Walay moment of inertia, walay moment dire. So that this tension, whatever this tension is, must be equal to this tension, tama? Okay? But since pareho ni siya dire, this tension must be the same. Right? Now, these two tensions, T plus T minus mg, must be equal to 0, right? We are assuming that we are pulling this at constant velocity. Sabtan? Constant velocity. If we are pulling this up at constant velocity, the net force is 0. Maulang sana. Atong ano. And as you can see here, T is this equal to mg over 2. The force that you're going to apply here is half of this. Sabtan? Half of this. So from that, nigaan siya, tama? Okay, this is now the leverage nga atong na gamit. And mudungag pa na siya, pagdungagan na po natong pulley dire. Okay? The more na siya nga dungagan og pulley dira, okay? Pero unsay disadvantage ani? Notice that as you pull a distance of L here, this one is going to go upwards by a distance of half of that, approximately. Pag atong iapil ang radius R, not equal kay mo ano man ang mo ana man. Pero let's just say half. Half of L, layo imo ang bira dire, gamay ang saka. Pero okay ra, di ba? Kay mas gaan man siya. Taas man imong tali. Okay? So mo nay kuan ana, mo nay kanang compromise. Now, of course, how about when the moments of inertia, I mean, yeah, the pulley becomes, the pulley daw has a mass M. Nakuha? The pulley has mass M. Now, this is no longer the same. Okay? Now, let's label this as T1, T2, and of course, T3. Let's just give it an acceleration. Okay? So, meaning the mass is accelerating dire A. Okay? If that mass is accelerating, there is a torque dire, right? Sabtan? Na torque. Ani siya, if constant ang velocity dire, it's like dili mag-matter ni siya pag constant na ang pulling. Okay? Pero once you are accelerating, mag-matter ni siya. Sabtan? Nag-accelerate with A. So that, okay. Dugay man ta diri oy. Ah, napatay i-discuss mong god. Buhatan lang siguro ako ni another video nga ano sa abe. Sige. Diri sa ta. Well, diri tanaw nato ni siya, T ni siya. T is certainly di na nato mag-T dira automatically ana lang nato diri no mg. So summation of forces dira no, dira sa diri equals T1 plus T2 minus mg equals ma. Okay? Tama? ma. Now, paggasaka ni siya unsay possible rotation. Kasi anaon man ni diri so kani mo ana tama. Pag mo ana ni siya kani pa ana counterclockwise. Okay, let's calculate the torque here. T1R minus T1R is negative plus negative torque siya, right? Padulong dito ang T1. Padulong dito ang T2. T2R must be equal to, it should generate a negative 1/2 negative I alpha, right? But I alpha is just ato na ning ano, this is 1/2 M A. Right? Mawala po ning R, tama? 1/2 M R A. M R M A. Or we now have minus T1 plus T2 equals minus 1/2 M A. Diri na punta. For that pulley. That pulley is going dito, right? It produces a positive torque. Okay? Dito. And now, note that T3 is equal to FA. Right? Whatever that T3 is equal to FA. So, so sa equation diri karon. By the way, ang A diri kay kuan ha given, meaning we are forcing it to accelerate. Let's just call this A naught. Nakuha? We are forcing it to accelerate, meaning mo na tong problem karon. What would be T3? What would be the force FA for this to accelerate at A naught? Nakuha? Okay? Or pwede po natin reverse ang problem given that FA atong gi-apply diri, what is A naught, no? So pareho ra ang process. Lahi lang ang kuan. Okay, so from here, the usa equation dito, summation of torque dira. Summation of torque in the first pulley is T3 will create a positive torque, right? T3R minus T1R, mamaya T2, no? T1R, ato na lang yung ikuan, be? I1, 2. Para kuan. So, usan ni siya? Mahimong T2 plus T1. Tama? So, T2R equals, unsay rotation? Positive. So, 1/2 MRA, right? So, you have now T3, which is equal to applied force, right? Mura man na siya. Whatever this tension here, mo na itong i-apply nga force. So, ato na siyang i-replace of FA minus T2 equals 1/2 MA. And we have already solved the problem. Why? Pila ka unknowns? T1, T2, T3. A is given, right? So we have 3 equations. Okay? Equation 1. Ay, asang equation 1 nato? Asa to equation 1? Ay, wala pa dito kasolve. Ay, mo ni equation 1 di bay. Mo ni equation 1, mo ni ang equation 2. Mo ni ang equation 3. Di na ako i-solve ha. You can solve that now. Ang say question? Asang mg? Asa? Sa 1? Na may mg. Lahi ni, equation 2 ni. Mao ni ang torque. Summation of torque ni. Lahi ni, equation mo ni ang dire. Na, kuhan ko, wala na ko na, summation of forces ni siya. Dire sa 1. Kani ang summation of torque mo. Nalibog ko gani ko. Nakuha? So, you can now solve this one. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 2. This is 1, 2, and equation 3. You can solve FA, right? Sabtan ninyo? Sayon rin, no? Alright. Alright. Now, butangan nato ni siya angle. Kamo na, ana. What if nakaana na siya? Okay? Okay. Let's solve balik katong last time atong gi-solve gani. Kani nga system A, B, M1, you have a pulley and kani siya dire. M2. Okay? So again, karon ato na siyang butangan og it has a radius. This one is has a mass M and radius R. So we'll assume an acceleration going this way. So summation of forces of x along 1 kay mo man itong x-axis ug y-axis, right? And sa ato pa, this is now T1, right? T1. This will be T2. Okay, summation, this is now T1 minus M1 kay mo man yang weight, right? So paspasan na nako ni because we already solved this analysis dati. I mean kaning at least katong walay walay mass dire. So unsa gani ni siya? Minus M1g sin theta, tama? The x component of the weight equals M1a sin A din sin A. Equals M1a. From here, T1 equals M1a plus M1g sin A. Okay? So refer to the previous video nga pag-derive dire. Okay? In our sa atong mga subscribers, there's a video sa English ana. There's a video, previous video that we discussed this one. So if you want to, because I'll be very quick in discussing this. Okay? Okay. Mao ni siya. Now, dirita sa pulley. Ato nang i-magnify ng pulley system, right? Okay, this is R. Now, T1 is actually acting perpendicular. This is T1 and this one here is T2 acting perpendicular. So, summation of torque there, T1 creates a positive torque, right? So, okay, this is T1R minus T2R equals, unsa man ni siya karon? 1/2 MRA. Tama? But, nganong dili na siya maupa kay our rotation is going this way. We are forcing it to be clockwise, right? So there should be negative here to be consistent. Nakuha? Okay? So from here, T1 minus T2 equals minus 1/2 MA. This M is the mass of the pulley. Nakuha? Anyway, naman siya yung number, M1, M2. How about equation diri, no? You have x, x-axis and the y-axis dito. Summation of forces along x, that would be positive ng weight, right? M1g Sine M2. B minus T2, right? Equals what? M2A. Tama? Going dire. Okay? Sabtan? And di na ako isolve. Okay? This is equation 2, this is equation 1, and this is equation 3. Surely you can solve this for A now. Okay, you solve this for A by just using, substitute this one dire, and substitute T2 diha, you will get A. Right? Okay. Now, kani ang critical ni siya. Again, this negative here is that we force this one to accelerate ani. Na naman gud tay constraint, dili naman gud ta arbitrary lang. Okay, we already have an assumption. If we just let this to be 1/2 MA, okay, it will create something like, if A becomes, kani man gud ang ani man ha, if we get A equals positive, asa ang acceleration? Paana siya, right? Meaning, whatever is our assumption, when we get a positive A, meaning that's the correct. Whether og kani atong assumption, if we get positive A, mao ni ang true. Suppose mao ni atong assumption and we get positive A, sa ato pa mao pud ni ang true. If this is our assumption and we get a negative A, what is the actual acceleration? Pabaliktad. Mao pud dire. Right? So we have to make this into assumption. I mean, we have to confirm this with our assumption. Okay? Now, let's solve another problem. Last sample problem. Syaro lagi. The ladder, sliding of a ladder. You have a ladder of length L. This ladder is of length L. And let's say it makes an angle theta with the floor. The ladder is of mass M. And the coefficient of static friction is mu. Okay? So given M, mu, M, theta, and L. Okay? Ang question dire is that, na ako'y isa ka tao that will climb the ladder. Okay, so that person will climb this one. And the mass of the person is capital M. Okay? Ang question karon is that, given mu, up to what height can it climb? Okay? Given mu, theta, M, and M, its mass, and the length of the ladder, what is the maximum height that the person of mass capital M can climb through the ladder? Through the ladder. Okay, mo na given karon. Now, ang question ani, are we in equilibrium or not? Are we in equilibrium or not? Ay, sa ato pa, before, kulang din the ladder will slide. Okay, are we in equilibrium or not? No na ang system. Maximum height bago mo slide, meaning that we are in equilibrium, right? We want to keep this static. Magkataas nga di ba, magkasaka na dira, posible nga mo slide siya, right? Okay, mo na itong isolve karon. Okay? So how do we solve this? First is ani, whenever we have a continuous system, the mass is always acting at the center. The centroid ang tawag ana actually. Centroid. In case of the ladder ng one-dimensional, naadiri ang centroid. L over 2, right? So meaning that the ladder, as if the mass is naadiri. Now, in order to solve this, we have to use the two conditions for equilibrium. First, summation of forces along x equals 0, summation of forces along y equals 0, and summation of torque. Okay? Now, usually, specifically in statics, you will not encounter T there or torque. Most of the time, it will be called moment. Okay? The moment. Torque is also called the moment, no? Specifically, we were dealing with statics. Okay? So, moments. So, okay. What is the summation of forces along x? Unsay mga forces along x diri? Well, there is a normal force dito, right? And asa dire, there is a friction padulong dire, right? Because the ladder padulong man dito, tama? So there's a friction, static friction padulong dira. In fact, using that summation of forces along x, n minus fs equals 0, right? So here, n is just equal to fs. How about summation of forces along y? Summation of forces along y. What are the forces along y? The mass of the ladder, the weight of the person, right? So, the weight of the ladder, the weight of the... So, mg minus... Pero naaka dire normal force, right? N. Right? Minus capital mg, the mass of person equals n. Right? Ang question, ani, is this enough to solve the problem? Remember that, okay, fs here, from here, kung saan yung n, this is, we can call this as, this is a different n, right? Let's call this n prime. From this, what is our fs? Mu s n. This fs mu here is based on this friction dire. So, sa ito pa, ang n dire is kaninga n, right? Equals n prime. Tama? And you have the value for n, but we don't have the value for n prime. Tama? O, takabaluan eh. Wala kabalo sa n prime, tama? Do we know n prime? Wala. Wala. Kani, from here, makita nato that n is just equal to what? Ay, sorry, nganong na equals n man eh. Sa muka ni eh. Plus n equals 0, right? So, this means that n equals m plus m times g. So, clearly, natay mu s times, anon ba yan eh, di ba? M plus m times g equals now n prime. Wala tayo n prime. Well, we have another equation. Let's assume a pivot point. Let's assume the pivot point here. Now, ani karon, tanaw na to na siya. What the weight of the ladder will generate a torque, right? Mo na itong pivot point. So, that pivot point, ato ni siyang kung ano, weight of the ladder ni siya. This is, meaning, this is L over 2. And it's acting dito. This is theta, right? What is the angle between the ladder and the direction of force? Mo ni siya, right? But this one is just equal to pi over 2 minus theta. So that the torque generated by the ladder, the mass of the weight of the ladder, is just equal to the weight, the summation of torque. The torque generated by the weight of the ladder is just equal to mg times r Sine of the angle between them. Sine of pi over 2 minus theta. What is, unsay gi-generate ani nga torque? Ha? Counterclockwise, so positive. How about the person? Ay, mo pa din niya itong ginaano, right? The mass of that person. That person is somewhere, maupo niyang sa person, no? Theta. Maura gyapon ni siya, no? So, same. Plus, mg, pero kani kay h, right? Mo ni atong unknown. Ay, ang given man din mu, right? Ang ano nato kay ang, nalimot na sa problem. Given ang mu, ang ano, ang ginasolve nato kay ang h, right? We are solving for h. Mone. mgh times what is the angle? Sine of pi over 2 minus theta. And this is equal to, ano no, isa ka torque. This is n prime. This angle is the same as theta, right? So, sa ato pa, minus n prime will generate a what torque? Clockwise. So, minus n. Asa siya nag-act? At L, right? Sine of theta. And since this is in static equilibrium, this is 0. This is n prime, right? Okay. Na-solve na itong problem. We have mgr. This is cosine of theta. Sine of theta. Kani is cosine theta. Trigonometric identity. Plus mgh cosine of theta minus what is n prime? Mu s m plus m times g times L. Sine of theta equals 0. We can solve for h na, right? All of these are, ayun saning r. Times, sorry, r is L over 2, right? L over 2. This is L over 2. Okay? Okay? Sabtan? So, you can now solve for h by taking the, sabtan ninyo? This is now ready to solve. No naman itanan. Napabay unknown dire? Wala, right? And yes, walay ano, given man isila tanan. Right? So, nasabtan ninyo? Okay. All right.